Hello everyone. Today I'm really excited to share another really useful autonomous AI agents that we built with Zenphi. I use it internally at Zenphi. It's been really helpful for me and I'm really excited to share it with you. You see, if you're running a sales team or a sales department or a company, for sure you want to stay on top of your sales pipeline, what's happening, and see if you find any trends or patterns in your pipeline. So one way is to do it traditionally, checking with people, and you go or your sales analyst crunches through the data. And with this AI agent, which runs every week, it for us it ingests all the data from all of our open opportunities from the CRM, and then given the system instructions that we provided to the AI agent, it goes and tries to find patterns. First of all, it gives an overall overview of the pipeline, um, sees it if it sees any trends or risk or opportunities, and if there's any red flags that it identifies in our open opportunities, it highlights it. Of course, this data is dummy data, it's not actual data, but every week I get an email like this, basically outlining all of our open opportunities and any red flags and etc. But it doesn't end there. It also, we've instructed the autonomous AI agent to draft any email that I may want to send to our internal sales team and provide any suggestions or feedbacks, and saves the draft document, saves the draft email into my inbox. Again, um, every Friday afternoon, I look at my drafts folder and I see a bunch of email. I go through them and the ones I want to send, I press send and just send them. I mean, this is again just a dummy email that we put in there, but you get the idea. Now, the best part of it is we could do all of that and also create an AI agent like that. It took us less than an hour to put that all together. Now let me walk you through what's happening here. So we've created this Zenphi flow, which runs every week at 8 a.m. and it goes and ingests a bit of data from our CRM, a bit of owner. These are metadata and lists all the open deals. We do a bit of filtering based on our stages, and for each deal, we go and run an analysis of the deal. Sorry, for each deal, actually, we go and ingest all the information, all the email communications, all the notes, everything that we have, engagements that that deal has had, we ingested in. And down here is where the magic happened. We just one action, we've created an AI agent, and or in the Gemini world, you can look at it as a Gemini gem. So we provide the instruction. It's pretty straightforward. You can customize it to your company's need. And down here, we pass in all those information that we've ingested. And we, as a prompt, we say, analyze this data and provide your detailed insight. Here's a JSON file. And again, just going back up here, focusing a bit on the top here, these are the particular things I'm asking, if there's a trend, if you see any red flags, etc., etc. So it does that. Gemini is pretty good in handling large context. So the amount of data we push into this prompt is could be really a lot, but Gemini does a really great job in handling them. Once we get the data back, what we do is that we instruct it to provide the data as HTML so we can use it in an email body. But also we go and generate a PDF document for record keeping. I like to do that. This is my personal preference. You don't have to do it. Say generate it and save it to a folder. So if I show you this folder, sorry. You see, I've been getting this consistently for a while and it's been extremely helpful. And finally, we send that email you just saw. We construct that email. We just use the output of the Gemini action in the email. And then there's the last step, as I mentioned, we go through any emails that Gemini has drafted for us, because we also instructed here, um, uh, we instructed Gemini to also draft the emails that we may want to send to any of the deal owners. So we looped through those emails that Gemini has drafted it. For each one of them, we create a draft with just a simple action and passing the information. As I mentioned, this has been really, really useful for me because I get proactively get insights and information pushed to me rather than me having to go and chasing people up or chasing data up or crunching data. Um, I just wanted to share it with you. Hopefully you find it useful. If you need help, or if you want to get a copy of this Flow or autonomous AI agent, just reach out to our support team. They'll be more than happy to help you out. Hope you find this helpful, and thank you very much.